Changing your email address with Standard Chartered is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your online banking account. Visit the Standard Chartered website and log into your online banking account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to personal information. Once logged in, locate the section for personal information or account settings. This is usually found in the main menu or under your profile settings. Step 3. Select email address update. Look for the option to update your email address. Click on it to proceed to the next step. Step 4. Enter your new email address. Input your new email address in a designated field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure it is entered correctly. Step 5. Confirm the change. Before starting recovery, use the SROC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Once you have completed these steps, your email address will be updated in the Standard Chartered system. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.